I know this is not the way you make dumplings, but
It's not dumpling, it's pork siomai, ate. Oh my god, ate!
what?
We forgot the
What?
the shrimp.
That's my favorite.
Oh my god, we forgot the shrimp. Okay, I need to... Hey, what you doing? Yummy?
Yeah.
Hello, so this is our ingredients to make pork siomai a la Yana and Lois. So main ingredient is the ground pork. This is 2.5 pounds. This is about 1 cup carrots, minced or chop. This is about 1 cup of water chestnut. In Tagalog is Singkamas. And we have 1 cup of white onions. 1 cup of shrimp. Again, chop, mince. We need 1 egg. Just 1 piece of egg. And about half cup of mince or chopped either spring onions or scallions. So we use spring onions. And we have the wonton wrapper, around 30 pieces. Wonton wrapper. And sesame oil, we're gonna use only about 2 tablespoons. And this one about like 1/4 cup, or yeah, 1/4 cup of black pepper. And most of all, Magic Sarap, or we just use salt, but we prefer this one, a la Yana and Lois. Hi Yana.
Hi. Say
This
hi,
is
Lois.
this is Yana, and this is Lois.
Yeah, we're back from school.
Back from
And
school.
we're next.
Okay, we're gonna cook
Hey, Dad. Can you put this on
so
private YouTube?
yeah, we're gonna make pork. We're gonna make pork siomai.
Lacey, you want to wear gloves?
Okay, first what we're gonna do,
Is wear
we
gloves.
already have all the ingredients ready, and here are the ingredients. So
And make sure.
Lois, you want a gloves?
No.
No? Okay, you watch ate.
She just wants to look at that. This way. And this way. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, first you need to put the pork on the big top.
What's the pork?
There, that's it, ground pork.
The whole thing?
Yeah, ground pork.
There?
Yeah.
It's so squishy! Ew, I got some on my hand.
Yeah. Put everything.
Ew.
Put the plate like this, like this. And pour. Okay.
Ooh, yummy!
Yeah. Looks yummy.
No, I don't want to eat it.
Okay. Next is you put all the ingredients together. First is the carrots. 1 cup of carrots.
Oh, Daddy,
Yes.
you have you put. Dad, it's not 1 cup of carrots, it's 1 plate of carrots. Put the carrots. I put the carrots in the nose.
No.
Snowman.
That's a snowman. Yeah. Not yet. And then put everything first. The dry first. Okay. And that's 1/2 cup of spring onions.
Oh.
And that's 1 cup of onions. Okay.
I know this looks like onions because I was about to try.
And then
Let's go closer.
1 cup of
What's
water chestnuts or Singkamas.
Oh, that's why I did.
Singkamas. Okay.
Next is the egg.
Next is no, that's not one. It's not cheese.
Oh, what's
Okay.
that? What's that?
That's a wonton wrapper.
Mommy.
Okay, first.
Mommy, I'm waiting to turn it Mix it. Mix it.
And then sesame oil. Where are you going, guys?
Which one?
And then oil. About a tablespoon of oil. Sesame oil. Work this one. And then two. Yeah, and then extra. There. Yeah, put it. There you go. Pour.
It looks weird.
Right.
Next is
the egg. You know how to crack an egg?
not really, but I'll try.
You crack here. Okay, and then
Oh my god, it's dripping.
there, and then just put it on the plate or the bowl. There, in front of you. Here.
Yeah.
Wow.
So sticky.
Okay, and then we mix it all together
With what?
with your hands. Mix it. There.
Yeah. This kind of feels weird, but it looks
Make sure your hair is
Yeah, that's what I really wanted to do.
okay. Okay, mix it properly. Mix it. And we're gonna do the funny thing later. We're gonna mold it.
I don't want to mold it with my real hands.
Wow.
Scratch. This kind of feels weird.
Okay,
My
now.
favorite part was the egg part.
Yeah, the egg part.
Yeah, because it almost fell in my hands.
Okay. Get down a little bit.
Because what are we going to do?
We're gonna put it in the wonton wrapper. You wash your hands already, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, it's just one, sorry. This is our first time making this. So, you like the
I know
you
you
should wash me first.
I know you put in the middle.
And then you make like this and roll it to the side like this. And wait, pat it. Make it like there.
So you put this in the middle.
Wait, we need water.
What else do you need? After you do this,
I guess don't put too much.
I didn't.
There, so that it will stick. Put water so that it will stick. I don't know what's the result on this one.
I made a
Will
dumpling.
it be delicious?
Yes. I made a dumpling.
Yeah, and put it here.
I made dumplings.
Ate, what you doing?
Dumpling.
Don't close it. You should make it open.
Can I make it? I want to make a dumpling.
She closed it.
I thought we were gonna make that.
Don't close it.
Can I make more?
That's yours.
Can I make closed
Yeah.
ones? Yeah.
But don't close it because
Right.
or it's gonna the meat will not be cooked. So
Make
this is our very first time doing this. So
I
this
made
is
dumplings.
technically a experiment,
And I'm making dumplings.
trial and error.
Make
Shishala,
dumplings
trial and error.
instead. Do not use the normal way. Use your own ways.
Yeah, use your own way. That's what we call. We have a song called "My Way." Charot. Tuk.
Another dumpling.
Ate. What's
I
that?
want to make dumplings.
It's closed.
I want to make dumplings.
Okay.
That's what I like.
Oh my God, Ate.
What?
We forgot the shrimp.
That's my favorite.
Oh my God, we forgot the shrimp. Okay, we need to put back everything.
You do that while I wash
Okay,
my
no,
hands.
I'll just
Goodbye, everybody.
mix this one.
Pato mo lang sa top.
Okay, it's time for cooking, steaming.
I'm just playing Taco Bell.
Okay, this has no shrimp, but
I'm not
it's okay.
kidnapped. Dad, my family is still kidnapped, and then because we were really horrible. Eat it! Oh!
And we'll see. Okay, we're gonna steam it for about 15-20 minutes. We'll see if it's cooked.
Whoa!
See you guys.
I just made a new recipe!
Okay, after 15 minutes, let us see. Whoa! Yana, look! Pork siomai. Hold up. Ah! It's like bola bola. Well, it looks nice. Look at that. Oh,
I want to smell it.
smells good. Smell it? Hey. What you doing? Hey, what you doing?
See what this tastes like.
Okay. Hey, why are you eating like that?
It's hungry for me. And
You like
it's so
it?
Hot.
It's so hot? You like it? Yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy.